Yes.
Good morning, dear students, once again. I hope now I am audible. Okay. So, in the previous classes, we did the formal letters, right? And the after doing the formal letters, in the before formal letters, we have also covered up Albert Einstein at school lesson number 4. So today we'll do the question answers of this lesson that we had discussed, and now few more were remaining that are required to be done. So now let us recap the Albert Einstein story for a minute, or his experience at school. He was not happy in his regular school. The reason that his interests were not taken care. He was more into sciences, he was more into reading books which had no space, no place. His classes were of history, mathematics, of course of science also, but he did not believe in learning dates and historical facts. He found them that anytime he can check those in the books, what was the use. He also expressed he would be interested more in knowing why the civilizations were fighting, why the people were quarreling, why the mighty man was battling. He was not interested in finding out when the battle took place. He was more interested why the battle took place. So let me share the screen with you, and few questions we'll cover up, okay, which are very important, dear students. So let's move further. This is Albert Einstein at school. The school system often curbs individual talents. Discuss. Very important question of 5 to 6 marks. A detailed question. Albert Einstein's miserable 5 years stay at school on the system of education prevailing then. The system of education had no room for Einstein's aspirations. Right? Yes. Keep your cams on, children. Your videos on. Okay? Yes. Now, the school system, Einstein's school system had no room for Einstein's aspirations. Brilliance and aptitude towards learning. The system of education discouraged his genius and originality and encouraged mechanical dullards, the so-called average students. They called them the average students as such, which is every child is a talented child. No matter he was average in other subjects, but he was a genius in one area, one field, one subject. The system laid stress on facts and dates rather than ideas. The pattern of rote memorization. Rote memorization means cramming the things, right? Had been discouraged in the lesson by Einstein. Learning without understanding may help to get the diplomas and degrees, but it fails to enrich the minds and inculcate new ideas. The teachers and authorities insisted on discipline and conformity in school. The history teacher and the head teacher, they were the strict stickers for rules, pedagogies, the learning policies, pedagogy, way of teaching, educational methodologies, and all. So they were strict rules and uh, policy makers, and they were followers of pedagogy and disciplined way of learning, and brilliant students like Albert Einstein were considered stupid and incompetent and unfit rebels whose very presence was making it impossible for the teacher to teach. Even they believed that their rules and regulations cannot fit this boy in it, in that particular system. And they even informed him that you have to leave the school. So this way, right, we move on to the next question, that how do you distinguish between information gathering and insight formation, insight learning? We have discussed this question, dear children, that day, but I wanted you to prepare it nicely because you are those mighty learners. You are those wonderful learners who must know that As per the lesson, we had talked of history and other subjects, but in general also, there is a lot of difference between information gathering and insight formation. These days, with the advent of technology, internet, all these facilities, a lot of bombardment of information is there. How much you churn, how much you are able to retain, and what is useful and what is not useful for you is very, very important to understand. Learning the dates and battles and details about victorious armies are facts. These details are part of knowledge, which are, you know, let me admit the students, those who are joining. Okay, there's no point in spending students' life, students' life on information gathering because dates of acts could be ascertained from the books. They can be ascertained from the books. They can be collected. They can be learned. Einstein did not believe in such a system. Learning without understanding. Information gathering may be learning without understanding, right? Learning without understanding is can only be called as information gathering, analyzing the facts, finding out the causes that led to certain incidents such as wars, and learning the ideas that spring from such actions are part of inside information. According to Einstein, it gives a clear perception in, in true nature of a thing. When you learn from within, you understand the true nature of a concept, of a thing, of whatever you wish to do. Such knowledge increases our logical reasoning, critical thinking, power of analysis to interpret and understand and make us think and take right decisions for oneself, for the society, for the nation, and at the global level for the whole world. Many Indians are sitting on in big realms, holding big positions, huge, tremendous responsibilities on global platform, at a global platform. They might be possessing these skills, real skills, reasoning, analysis, interpreting, understanding, giving solutions, leadership, and that too holding the places for the whole world. That's why the whole world knows Einstein, not just one village or one town or one locality, right? So this way we move to why did Albert need a medical certificate so badly? This is a factual question which you can answer from the lesson. Why did Albert, those were extrapolative ones, which you need your own skill to answer on the basis of the reading, but along with the own learning. Now this is, I wish, Kevin, read the answer, beta. Why did Albert need a medical certificate so badly? Okay, I'll read. I'll read. Why did Albert need a medical certificate so badly? Albert wanted to get rid of the school where he was studying and wanted to go to Milan to get admission in an Italian college. However, it was his father's wish that Albert should get a diploma in that school. He felt that his father would send him back to school if he left in that way. The medical certificate certifying that he could not continue in school because of health reasons would convince, his his father, right? How according, um, the medical certificate certifying that he's not well will have at least a little point in convincing his father. So how according to you recall the medical certificate help Albert? Now this is Yuri's role according to Yuri. So we'll discuss this question also. Yuri thought that the medical certificate would help Albert to enjoy 6 monthly leave from the school. He will not actually be leaving the school, and if the worst be felt, he could return and continue studies for the sake of diploma. Now, very important question, that is, what is the role of this boy Yuri as described in the extract? Before I share again this, right? Let me see the participants. Okay. Yes. Now, dear children, comment on the role of Yuri as described in the extract. Yuri performed an important role in Albert's life. He was a friend, philosopher, and guide for Albert. Now, Kevin, just try again if you can read this answer. Anyone, Sarab, Anushka?
Yuri,
Yes, Kevin, start.
Yuri performed an important role in Albert's life. He was a friend, philosopher, and guide for Albert. Comment on the role of Yuri as described in the extract. Yuri performed an important function in young Albert's life. He performed the role of a friend, philosopher, and guide. He knew all about Albert during those days. He was the only person in Munich whom Albert liked. Albert lived among the poor students who frequently indulged in fighting. Duel. Uri held Albert in his palm to obtain a medical certificate of nervous breakdown advising a rest of 6 months. He introduced Albert to a doctor named Ernst Well and asked Albert to be frank with him. Dr. Well turned out to be a sympathetic person who issued him the much needed certificate. Yuri again guided him to obtain a written reference from the mathematics teacher, forcing the head teacher. Albert followed his advice faithfully. The certificate, however, proved useless because the head teacher had already decided to expel Albert, which what is undesirable activities. He was like a pillar of strength to the miserable young Albert in the foreign lands.
So make it Albert for his undesirable activities. Not what, but for his undesirable activities. And there was one full stop, which we can fighting duels. The full stop must be here. So this way, the role of, let us come back to Yuri's role. Now we have done in all the lessons, dear students, character sketches. So here a friend, what is the role of a friend in our life? So friend, philosopher, guide, all the time standing for help, standing by your side for help, even when you know whether it is right or wrong. But the friends, they come forward. Later on, we come to know that this could have been done in this way, in a wonderful way, or a better path would have been this. So Yuri again guided him to obtain a reference from mathematics teacher, which was again a healthy and helpful guidance. So I hope, dear children, these questions will help you a lot in preparing your lesson, that is Albert Einstein at school. Right, dear students? So, very important, dear students. Yes. Let us continue to few more questions which will help us. Like these were the basic, one or two more. And because some questions from between the lesson, the conversation between his cousin and Einstein, she guided him something. She was proud of her brother, but she wanted him to do something as all were moving in the course, right? A very important point. Why did Albert see no point in learning those dates? We have discussed. Then why did Albert feel miserable in school? Apart from this point, the second point that we can cover is all of us, are human beings, and we live with our identities. Now, every day he was being scolded. Every day, rather being recognized, he was defamed, or he did not have a good reputation in the eyes of the teachers. So he felt miserable. And the first point, that is, he had no interest in such a system, right? So at emotional level, also psychological level, also the only person he had was Yuri, right? So this way he felt miserable, no interest in such a system where there were only facts, figures, and data, and learning facts and learning information, gathering information, no insight learning. Now you can use these phrases and words, dear children. You have got ample of vocabulary and phrases and words to describe, right? Now, one more question. This is not from the factual part. Do you think it was right on his part to take this giant leap? He was very successful later on. We can say, yes, it was right. But at this stage where we stand as a student, is it not quite anxiety responsible for taking such a step? It may go wrong. We have done the road not taken. You stand many times at a fork whether to do or not to do. So if we think standing in that position and deciding to leave the place where you are studying and where you are, you know, doing a lot of things, so that way, can you leave that learning place or school like place? Certainly not. Einstein was very lucky enough to recognize all of us almost move with a particular system, and the flaws of the system, some challenging ones, are often in the way the leaders, the great ones, those who have brought paradigm shifts in the systems and age-long processes and ways and methodologies. Einstein was one amongst them, right? Okay. Now, Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning hole in his pocket. What made him feel this? Albert at one point felt that he had done a lot of homework in getting that certificate, but the principal head teacher was already ready to expel him from the school. So the certificate was almost burning in his pocket. I hope, dear children, these discussions will help you a lot in preparing your lesson. Okay? I hope, dear students, you can.
Yes,
Very good. You can unmute yourself for a minute. Yes. Keep your videos on, dear children.